Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas Recall in Mobile Legends. To acquire these festive items, you'll primarily engage with holiday-themed events. These events often provide unique tokens that can be exchanged for the recall effect. Additionally, keep an eye on limited-time lucky draws, where you might win the recall. Sometimes, the recall effect is also available for direct purchase in the in-game shop for a limited period. Active participation in seasonal events is key to securing your Christmas recall. These events typically feature a series of daily and weekly tasks, like playing a certain number of matches or achieving specific objectives. By completing these, you'll earn event points or a unique currency. Accumulate enough of this currency, and you can often exchange it directly for the festive recall effect within the event shop, making it a reliable method. Another exciting way to obtain the Christmas recall is through lucky draws or gacha mechanics. These often require special event tickets, which you might earn from other activities, or premium currency like diamonds. While it involves an element of chance, many draws display the probability rates for winning rare items. Some systems even offer a guaranteed reward after a set number of attempts, perhaps 10 or 20 draws, increasing your odds. For those who prefer a more direct approach, the in-game shop is a crucial place to check. During the holiday season, the Christmas recall effect is frequently available for direct purchase using diamonds, the game's premium currency. Keep an eye out for special holiday bundles too, as these often include the recall along with other festive skins or items at a discounted price. Remember, these shop offers are usually for a limited time only.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.